Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to segment your email list in Brevo. Now, segmentation helps you organize your contact lists into smaller, more specific groups so that you can send targeted messages instead of one size fits all emails. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to master the platform step by step. Now let's get started. To segment your email list, first log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the left menu and click on the CRM tab. When you click on it, it will expand and show several options such as contacts, lists, segments, companies, deals, tasks, and custom objects. Next, click on the segments option. This will take you to the main segments page where all of your existing segments are displayed. Now move to the top right corner and click on create a segment, which will start the process of building your new segment. After clicking, Brevo will open a new page where you'll see two options: create segment from scratch or use a ready-made template. If you want full control and prefer to set your own filters, choose create segment from scratch. Once you select this, Brevo will open the segment builder page. Now it looks similar to your contact list, but now you'll see two important buttons at the top: load a list or segment and add filter. At this point, you need to click Add Filter. Now, when you do, a menu will appear showing all of the types of filters that you can apply. These filters define which contacts will be included in your segment. Think of them as the rules that Brevo follows to organize your contacts. Here you will find different categories of filters. You can choose contact details to filter by name, location, or sign up date. You can select email to filter by activity such as opened or clicked emails. You can also choose SMS if you want to target contacts who receive text messages or deals for CRM related actions. Now, to keep it simple, let's start with one basic filter. Suppose you want to group people who have received at least one of your emails. Click Add Filter again, but this time select Email from the drop down list. Once you do, another panel will open on the left side of the screen. It will show you several email related options. Now, you can pick Email Opened if you want contacts who opened your campaigns, email not opened for inactive contacts, or email clicked for those who interacted with your content. Email campaign subscriptions to include only subscribe users, or email sent to filter everyone who received at least one email. Now, for this tutorial, select email sent from those options. Now, you will see a few drop down menus that help you define the conditions of this segment. In the first drop down, select any type of email. This includes all campaigns, both marketing and transactional. Next, you'll see a drop down labeled at least one time. This means a contact must have received one or more emails to be included in the segment. You can adjust the number if you want to make it more specific. Then you'll see another drop down that says in the last 6 months. This helps you focus on recent engagement rather than older activity. You can change this to a different time period depending on your needs if you like. Altogether, this filter tells Brevo to include all contacts who have been sent, rather, at least one email in the past 6 months. If you want to narrow your list further, click the And button. This will allow you to add another condition, such as contacts who opened those emails. Now, if you want to make the condition broader, use the Or button to include people who clicked or opened an email. Once you're happy with the setup, click on Save as Segment at the bottom right corner. A small pop-up window will appear. Now here, give your segment a clear name that describes it well, like active contacts or the last 6 months. Then choose a folder from the drop-down menu to keep your segments organized. Click Save to finish. Now, after saving, Brevo will take you back to the segments page where you'll now see your new segment listed among the others. That means it's ready to use. The next time you send an email campaign, Brevo will ask you who you want to send it to. Instead of selecting your entire list, choose the segment you just created. This way, your emails only go to the most relevant and engaged contacts. Using segments like this makes your communication more effective. Your subscribers will receive content that really begins to match their interest, which leads to higher open and click rates. That is how you can segment your email list in Brevo. If you would like to learn how to combine segmentation with maybe automation or dynamic personalization, click the link down in the description. You get 50% off the starter and business plans for the first 3 months and full access to our Brevo training series, which is pretty fantastic. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.